Alright, here we are, back again at Roll Racing, Friday night, 9th of November. Should be a great night. I'll take you through some cars, who we've got coming. Hang on, I've got to turn this camera. We've got a mate of ours, Arthur. He's got a beautiful, nice Porsche here. This thing is absolute rocket ship. We'll go through the garage. There's my daddo. First time for a year. So, hello Brent. Hello Ryan. Got Hillbilly in the this thing pops monos. We'll go for a bit of a walk. It's going to be a massive night. We've got about 22 Datsuns here tonight. What else we got? A couple of the boys have gone to line up. Okay, we've got a 996 twin turbo Porsche with us tonight as well. See the Wollongong Wizard, standard. He flies. Got my mate Steve, and his Datsun's getting rebuilt at the moment, so he's going to drive the Team Datsunville car. Got a few daddos here. Silky from Queensland's come down, he's wagging over there. Steve's first run in the Datsonville car, so I said we'll have a run against him. A couple of Dado boys over here. I'll hand the phone over to mate Aaron, who's come over from New Zealand.
Hey guys!
I picked him up from the airport today, so we'll videotape this race. First time for a year since I've had my car here, so we're looking forward to seeing how we go.
Perfect weather for it too.
Beautiful.
Mate. Beautiful weather.
There's me mate. Is that Lincoln's car over there? No, it's not Lincoln's.
What's on the Subi?
Yeah, Lincoln's side, one of my Golf Pro mates. He brought his Subaru down tonight. There's Jono.
Oh, this is awesome.
I've got a feeling Steve might go early, so we might go a little bit early as well.
Oh, you reckon he'll shoot off a bit earlier?
Oh yeah, he doesn't want me to beat him, and I don't want him to beat me. It's a beautiful night for racing.
Perfect, eh?
Who's there? Blaine. Blaine's our number one. He was our number one from last month, but he's not here tonight, unfortunately. We'll see what side Steve's going.
He's going to take the left lane by the look of it.
Watch how fast that Porsche is. That Porsche is an absolute rocket ship. There's Steve. You want to show Steve?
Hey Steve! Watch this Porsche.
Watch that Porsche, Aaron. It is fast. I don't know what's in this Commodore, but I don't suspect the Commodore's going to be any chance.
Look at the feet on the Porsche.
Yeah.
It's got tyres like that for some reason. Here goes the Porsche.
Just have a hold the camera inside.
It's in between third and fifth.
Sorry.
It's all good.
I've got third gear finally, then I'll be the world's easiest gear four. We've got to have a rerun now.
Yeah.
Alright, I apologise for that folks. It was a good start, but I just missed fourth gear.
It's in between third and fifth. But we'll get it.
Look, he's into me already. I can see the sledging. Alright. That was a good run as well. Jeez, the car
Great
goes
run.
good when I get the gears.
Yeah, it felt strong.
1 year later, and I'm not smarter. My driving skills haven't improved.
Oh, that's awesome. What a bloody beautiful night for it too, Dave.
Alright,
to you, eh?
so we just finish now. We'll be back shortly. Again, race that Cortina then, 7-second Cortina, just unbelievably fast. I'll give the phone to my mate Aaron. Aaron's having a great night from New Zealand.
Woohoo, it's just amazing.
So what, we might go the right lane, and then we're racing my mate Nigel Nolan and his brother Luke, been friends with them for about 30 years. So this is for a list race, and not sure what number, maybe like number 7 out of the top 10 fastest. It's only because half of them aren't here. In front of us we've got the Wollongong Wizard versus Mick Vitchie from Queensland.
This fella here, see my finger?
So the eliminations will start shortly. It start at 9:30. So we'll film across and see what Nigel's got there.
Hey! You want a race, bro? Good stuff, Dave. Let's go do this, eh?
Alright, we'll see how we go. We'll give it a good shot. So the two very quick dados in front of us.
Yeah, awesome race. Here we go. Oh, that wizard is wicked, isn't he? Look at the ute fishtailing.
I think the wizard got him.
There was only half a bumper in that one. There was half a bumper, Dave.
Those cars at dead level. We were neck and neck the whole way.
Oh, that was awesome race.
So good. So good. We'll keep
well
filming
done.
this time. We'll keep filming down back into the pit so you can show what it's like.
Yeah, matey.
How good a run was that?
That was great.
Nailed the gears. I thought, no, I've got to make sure I get everything.
No, you got all the gears good.
Yeah.
But when we crossed the finish line, there was only what?
Well, I don't know who won. Was he ahead of me or was I ahead of him?
Well, let's just say we won at this stage.
We must have smashed him. We can't tell who won, so we must have smashed him.
Oh, great night tonight out here doing this. I tell you, it's been awesome.
So you do your run, and then you've got to drive slowly back to the pits.
Yeah.
Bit of adrenaline rush.
It's meant to be 10k an hour in it or something.
I always tell my staff they've got to come out for a run in the car with me. They'll love it.
Oh, they will.
Claudia and Daryl, you'll love it. Paulie.
Oh, I need to chuck my car in a container and bring it here. This guy over here, he fills up your NOS bottles, I've been told.
Yeah, he makes a lot of money out of people here.
Yeah, race fuel on tap. Unbelievable.
So as you come back down to the main pit straight here, you're going to start lining up the eliminations. That was awesome.
That was incredible. Got to go for riding that Wizards one, eh?
What are they doing?
I think the wee green one's trying to back in. Check out that Gotina.
Alright. Thanks all for watching. I don't know if I'll get out the eliminations. My car's just not fast enough. But I'll have a think about, see what Kim says. Alright, cheers.
Alright, switching off there, boys.
How was the night?
Oh, it was a sensational night. Lots of cars showed up. Lots of good runs. I don't know how. I wasn't watching the list changing. I don't know where we end up. Where did we end up there, Dave?
There wasn't too many list change races, to be honest. There's so many good races amongst all the other cars here. I think Brent Arnold is new number one because Blaine obviously and Command did show up. So Brent stays at number one. And that's about all I know because I had a million runs in my own car tonight. Adam had a million runs in his car. His 240 was flying, had a slight problem with the gearbox.
Yeah, it smashed it.
Smashed the gearbox.
Just a slight smashing.
Apart from that, all our other Datos were flying. The Datsonville car was flying. I run it twice in the Datsun, and Steve Crispy, he got me twice. So
Hillbilly got into the finals. Good on you, Hillbilly. Up there at the top. Well done, mate. It's great to see over 25 Datsun show up at Datsun Outlaws. We're stoked.
A couple of new faces tonight as well.
Oh, there was guys from Queensland. Just want to thank the guys coming down from Queensland. Long journey. We appreciate that. To join the Datsun Outlaws crew.
Yeah.
Old mate, he come from New Zealand to watch.
Our mate Aaron Wayne from New Zealand.
Yeah, so it's only getting bigger each month. So don't forget to enter, guys, and show up in December.
Everyone come supporting us. It's another good night. Thanks, Pete.
Legend. It's perfect.
We're in Silky's wagon, racing Simon. SR versus FJ. FJ better win. My Dato's still sleeping. Won't be ready for another couple of months. Yeah, you can take go to SR this time.
That's not Brent.